Let's make roasted beets and carrots. Roasting beets and carrots brings out their natural sweetness and it offers a nice caramelization that makes them the perfect side dish. Not to mention, it's a super simple recipe. Simply peel and chop up your beets and your carrots. You want to chop them to about the same size so that they roast evenly. Then you're going to toss them with a little bit of olive oil and some salt and pepper. That's all you need because the natural flavors of the beets and carrots are going to be perfect when you roast them. Toss it all together and then place them on a lined baking sheet. I foil lined mine to make it simple. You want to spread them out so they have plenty of room. That way they won't steam, they'll roast. You want to get that caramelization, so make sure they're not too close together. If you look, you can see I have space all around. Then you're going to roast them in a 400-degree oven for 30 minutes. About halfway through, you want to rotate your pan so that it gets a nice even roasting because not every oven heats perfectly evenly. Then take them out, and that's all you have to do. Look at how amazing these turned out. Look at that caramelization. I love to add them and serve them with a little bit of parsley just to garnish it up and make it like so pretty and yummy. But you can just eat them on their own. You can add more salt and pepper if you want, whatever floats your boat. These are seriously so good. You will be eating them all summer long. Find the full printable recipe at easypeasymeals.com. Enjoy!